If you're a Walsall tenant looking for a 3-bedroom detached property, I think we found the ideal property for you. Today we are going to do a walkthrough video tour of this property behind us, a 3-bedroom detached in the Yew Tree area / Tame Bridge of Walsall WS5. This property is on the market at the moment, so anybody who wants it, get on the phone, get on the blower, give us a call and we'll show you around in the meantime. As you can see from the outside, the approach is in a cul-de-sac location, and you've got a driveway for at least one car. Probably fit a couple of cars you can squeeze into here. Got an integral garage which you can go from the outside as well. That side is where your bins would be, your gate is through that side. There's a satellite dish over here as well, and we'll go into the property now and do an internal walkthrough. So if you follow me please. So entrance hallway, you've got a storm porch. So as you kind of come in, you can kind of put your keys in, out of the weather. And from the internal entrance hallway, to your left you've got the fitted kitchen. A really good range of base and wall units. You've got an integrated oven and hob. These are presentation units. Where your fridge freezer would go is probably in that corner over here. I'll just close this door. Over here you've got the boiler. This is a conventional system, so the hot water tank is upstairs. These are very good because in this property you've got a family bathroom, you've got an ensuite and a downstairs WC as well. Plus you've got washing facilities over here. Now if you're having a shower, somebody in the family is having a shower upstairs, then downstairs the pressure won't be affected with these conventional systems. So they're very good for these types of properties. Very economical as well, so nothing to worry about on that front. Okay, so as we come out of the kitchen, if we let the camera just come to this side, I'll open the door from here into the garage. So you've got 3 directions that you can access the garage. One from the front, as the camera is showing now, from the roller shutters over there. That's from the side gate where we showed you that the bins, you would take the bins in and out of. And then obviously from the entrance hallway that we've just gone into, we'll just close the door out. And you've got the downstairs WC for your guests. No traipsing up upstairs. And then from here you've got, I'll lead into the main living area of the property, the lounge cum dining room. Where the camera is taking right now is into this area where the previous occupants lived here for several years. They actually had their sofa kind of where the camera is standing there at the moment along here. The TV point is over here. You've got there's Virgin Media, fibre, I believe fibre optics is available through Virgin Media, and possibly BT as well. The Sky lines are over here as well, and you've got the outside aerial point there as well. So this was the TV point, and from here you can also have this area, which usually people have as the dining kind of area. So it's a really good living space with stairs going off upstairs. Since we're downstairs, we'll just show you the garden as well. So it's accessed through these French doors. A good size, bit of lawn area, a bit of patio area, and at the top you've got over there a bit of a lounging area, I'd say. You know, it's barked up with a membrane, so a breakout, chill out area over there. Okay, so yep, through the side is where the bins would come and go. Okay, and then we'll take you upstairs and finish up. So the stairs, as we said, go off the lounge come diner. The property has been painted throughout and it's just basically ready to move in. As you can see, the flooring's in good condition and the decor's fresh. This is the family bathroom. Okay, your standard wash and basin, pedestal wash and basin, WC and bathtub. This is the master bedroom. A really good size. If you can see probably the markings over here, that's where the bed was. It was a double bed with bedside tables that the previous occupants had. In this corner you've got a Virgin Media box here as well. I believe all the rooms have this type of access to either Sky or Virgin Media. You've got a fitted wardrobe with this room. So I'll just open up these doors as well. So there's a good space to kind of store your clothes. Okay. And then off here comes the ensuite. So plumbed-in shower that works directly from the hot water tank that we talked about earlier on, which I'll show you in a second. You've got your WC and wash and basin as well. Okay, so coming out back to the landing, this is where the hot water tank is. Heat trace RDA is what Persimmon Homes used in terms of their kind of choice of the hot water tank. So it's a very good system, and that's where the hot water tank, I believe it's got 125 litre capacity. And then you've got the second of the largest bedrooms. This is the double bedroom facing the back garden. A couple of electric points, sockets on the sides, and in the corner you've got Sky in this room. So there are Sky cables coming through, as you can see those wires over there. A good space, a good sized bedroom. Okay, I think that's a telephone wire in the corner. That one there looks like a telephone wire. Yeah. Okay, and then last bedroom is the single room. Again, of a good size. You can see, you know, I'm spreading my arms just to give you a sense of the kind of the width that you've got. It's a very good size. Whether you want to use this as an office, as a small bedroom, as a changing room, there's lots of options here with this property. So we've come to the end of this video tour. I hope you've got a good idea of what this property offers, and clearly it's a great property, a great location. Birmingham is just off the A34, is nearby, the M5, M6, everything is close by. Junction 7, I believe, of the M6 is just a short drive from here. So if this tickles your fancy and you'd like to rent it out and from us, then please give us a call. All the links will be in the descriptions below. You can go through our website, you can register, and you can make an inquiry, or through any of the property portals. So all being well, we'll see you on the other side. Take care. Thank you for viewing.